Stay tuned for this week's Take 5.
Hey everybody, it's Robert here again this week, and I want to talk with you about a kale recipe that I'm loving, and I think you'll love it too. It's very easy, it's comforting, it's a great way to get your greens in. Let's take a look. Okay, this is sun-dried tomato kale pasta created by Jasmine Foster, one of our registered dietitian partners. It's a great way to get your greens in. It's very easy to make. If you want to double the recipe, do that. But go to our website, raw.net, look at our kale recipes. You'll find it there. We'll also link it in the description on the YouTube channel. Give it a try. Let us know what you think. Thanks.
We'd like to encourage all of our employees to check out our YouTube channel. Did you know that WP Rawl has their very own YouTube channel? You can simply go to youtube.com, type in WP Rawl in the search bar, and check out all of the different video content that is out there. There's things like recipes, field operations content, that talks about things like beneficial insects. And we also have different videos that highlight the different departments and things that y'all do in your areas. So we encourage you all to check it out. Thanks.
Hey guys, hope y'all are doing well today. My name is Josh Hall. I am the Agricultural Operations Manager here at WP Rawl for our Field Operations Department. So today, I just want to give y'all a brief little update on how everything's going on the farm here in South Carolina, on the farms we have. Basically, everything is going well, is the gist of it. Everything's going well. Most of our crops are actually either ready to be harvested or becoming ready to be harvested for the first time. So over these next couple weeks, more and more fields will come on, especially as we kind of transition or start to transition supply coming out of Bunnell, our Florida location, to supply coming out of South Carolina, our farms here in South Carolina. So we're excited, very busy out here, excited for more of our H2A friends and employees to get here and to be able to help us out. We look forward to seeing them. And so far, again, everything is going great here on the farms in South Carolina.
Thank you to everyone who has sent in a selfie video to me describing your experience through the coronavirus and how that's impacted your work and the positive messages that you shared. We're going to be sharing those videos next week, so we're really excited about that. The other thing I wanted to tell you is just to remind you of the new WP Raw team members Facebook group. We've had a lot of people join, and so we want to see that attendance increase. And so if you know somebody who's not in the group, who is actively working at WP Raw and you're friends with them on Facebook, send them an invite, get them in the group. And don't forget to fill out the questions when you enter the group and accept the group rules. Thank you. Have a great week.
All right. Hello, y'all. Frankie O'Neal, truck driver for WP Raw. Just want to take a quick second here to say how grateful I am to work for such a good company in these crises. They're keeping us busy, keeping us going, trying to keep us safe. They every time I get to my truck, I got some kind of brown bag lunch. There's all kind of goodies in there. We got my gloves here. Got my doggone got my Lysol. Thank you to my wife for getting me some masks. I appreciate it. Don't know where they came from, but appreciate it. Some wipes. But WP Raw has been great through this whole thing, trying to keep us as safe as they can and keep us with all the supplies that's possible. All right, thank you.